How you doing? My name is James. I'm a technician at George Moore Chevrolet. What I'm doing right now is taking out the air filter out of this high country Silverado. All right, being back right here. Yeah, it's only three bolts. All right, that's the 3 bolts off of the intake housing. There you go. Need a little bit of help. Different models have different techniques. Yeah. And there's your air filter. And next thing you do, we ask the customer, do they want it to change? And that's their preference. This is a pretty clean one, so this one can go back into the truck. So this is what I do to go and find the screw. Sometimes these screws are hard to reach places, so I get the trusty old magnet right here. And find her. Oh, there she goes. Got it. Bring it through. There you go. And just in case, I'm gonna use this magnet to put it right in place since it's a hard to reach place. Ooh. Yeah. And I'm, like I said, hand thread it first. So you won't strip out nothing. Booyah. And now, like I said, I hand thread them in before I'm going to, because it's plastic. You don't want to tear up the molding. I'm going to start with our first one right here first. Done. There you go, done. This one right here, I know you can barely see it, but it's getting in there. And that's it. All right, that's how you change the air filter on a high country Silverado. My name is James. I'm a dry technician at George Moore Chevrolet.